So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Elsie and you're watching Elsie tutorial. So for today's video, we have here the new custom GSI room. This is pure AOSP custom room guys, and this is Android 11 and it is built with ARM64 AB. So let's take a look. So that is fast unlocking guys. That is really fast unlocking. I think there is no delay on unlocking the device. So let's now start what would be the working features in this room. So as you can see here, we have a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the do not disturb. These are all working. The rotate, battery saver, and location. These are all working guys. And also the sound is working in this room. Let's try. So yeah, the sound is working in this room, and also we have here a working navigation keys on the bottom, and also the hard keys are working. Yeah, they're all working guys. And speaking of room, this room is a vanilla. We don't have any Google application of this room, but if you want Google application, then you need to flash the G apps. So we have here some bloatwares, the calendar, the clock, the contacts, the files, the gallery, messaging, phone, search, settings, super user, and the web view browser. So that's all working guys, and let's now proceed into the bugs of this room. So the first bug of this room guys is we don't have a camera here. There is no camera in this room. And the second bug is the flashlight. The flashlight seems broken because it always says here camera in use, as you can see in the video. So that's the second bug. And then the third bug is the brightness slider. When you set the brightness slider into 0 or low, you will get the black screen. Yeah, as you can see, you will get black screen guys whenever you set the brightness slider into 0. And that is the third bugs. And then the fourth bugs of this room guys is the hotspot is not working in this device. So yeah, mobile hotspot in this room is not working. As you can see here, Wi-Fi hotspot seems error. So yeah, this is now the fourth bug. And then the fifth bug of this room guys is the offline charging. Offline charging is broken in this room. You can charge your phone while your phone is off or while your phone is shut down. You can't charge your phone. And then nothing else more bugs in this room. That's a total of 5 bugs. But what my expression about this room guys is very smooth and fast, and also it's very responsive. And this room guys is Android 11. So we're gonna see here into the settings. This is Android 11 guys. This is Android 11. Yeah, this is Android 11, and the Android security also is quite latest. It is April 5, 2021. And the battery is quite good in this room. So that's all. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up and comment, share in this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss any uploads of my YouTube channel. So yeah, but please guys, I am begging you to support me, and also please watch all of my tutorials because I really need the 4,000 watch hour, because I really need to monetize this YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching all my videos. And speaking of, last week guys, I uploaded a lot of Mobile Legends gameplay, and if you're asking what room I'm using the Klaxosor gaming room. In that content, I'm using it for my Mobile Legends. The Klaxosor gaming room is really good in gaming. So yeah, and if you're want to try out this room guys, I will link the room in my description box, and please install the create vendor. I will show you guys what would be the file that is needed to install. So yeah, this three room here, the Exynos 78, create vendor, the room, and the TREBLUE are needed to install this room. So I will link these three files here in my description box. So thank you so much for the people behind this project, for Ananjesser and Astraco and all of the 7870 community, all of the people behind that community. Thank you so much for making the G7 Prime still alive until today. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you next video guys. Have a good day. Bye.